हाय एवरीवन, आई एम दिव्या जैन, योर बिजनेस सिस्टम्स कोच। और आज हम बात करेंगे व्हाई कोचेस डू नॉट हैव प्रिडिक्टेबल इनकम और प्रिडिक्टेबल रेवेन्यू. See, many coaches are there which are who are facing this kind of problem, and it's not that they are not skilled. They are skilled. They get results sometimes. They work sincerely. They are posting regularly. Their income looks like this. Sometimes it is a good month, then good, bad, good, good, bad, bad. So they panic. You know what? They panic because sometimes income is there, sometimes income is not there. Now, this is very unpredictable. They cannot say that if their business is working or not. And then they think that the issue is there with their talent. Probably they are not able to deliver the results, which is not true. Now, it's not your fault. It's not your skills. It's not your talent. Rather, it is the business systems, right? So I'll explain this in 5-part revenue model where I'll discuss each part. Each part is important to build a solid, consistent revenue. So the first part is called foundational model, where now this is the model which many coaches actually miss defining properly. So what happens when it comes to social media or lead generation? What we are generally, what tendency do we have? Going on social media, posting our posts, and then we think leads are not coming, right? So the major problem is this foundational system which is missing in any coaching business. Now, what is foundational system? Like defining niche, your problem statement, your positioning statement, your clear offer, what are you going to give your clients, and your pricing. Right? So it's that you are right now probably charging some price to some client and some discount you're giving to some other client. So this is not fixed. And marketing becomes very confusing if these things are not clear right from the beginning. Now, I'm not saying that you are not doing this. Probably you are that intelligent coach who has defined this foundational system, but major coaches are missing out on this. Okay. So, what happens when this system is not there? Marketing is confusing. Sales happen, but the conversion ratio is less because some people will believe you, some people hesitate to trust you. Okay. So, this clarity is the basic layer. Second system is called visibility layer. Visibility means becoming visible on social media or any other platform, right? So once foundation is strong, then comes this stage, which we are actually doing. So now ask yourself, in this stage also there are many errors which we might be doing, right? Ask yourself this question: how do new people discover you every week? Do they discover you or not? See, if your audience is same which has been there few weeks back, then you have not grown. Okay, so your strategy should be there around your content. How often will you post content? What is going to be your content for this entire month? What kind of networking are you doing? Are you into some offline meets or online meets? Or are you into some conferences? Have you registered with MSME? Probably you are attending conferences there, right? Are you going for any collaborations? Maybe collaboration sometimes help in networking, right? What kind of outreach strategies are you adopting? Okay, so if visibility is inconsistent, for example, say basic thing, if I have decided this month I will post two post, maybe one post, one reel every week on my social media channels. Now, this is not happening consistently. That also is a problem. Okay. So, if there is no consistent visibility system, there is unpredictable pipeline which you will get. Okay. So, this is part two of the system where you need to focus on number one foundations, number two is visibility. Number three, now after you have foundations, after you have your visibility, then comes the lead capture system. Now someone would be interested in you because you have foundations, right? You are posting regularly, you are very visible on social media platforms, on offline channels. Now someone will be interested in your services or products. Okay, so what happens next? They will find out how to contact this person. So, do you have any booking link or any consultation flow, right? Or do you collect their details properly so that you can contact them that you were looking for my services, right? What is the way out? How people are going to contact you for your services? Many coaches lose warm leads just because there is no next step defined. For example, very basic thing, go on your Instagram, check if any button is there which you have installed, that how do people contact you. So interest without capturing leads is of no use. Interest just fades away then. So you have to be very clear with your lead capture system. There should be a button which they click, they should go to a form, the form lead should come to your Google Sheets. That kind of system should be there with you. Okay. Part 4 is conversion system. Now you have got leads in your account. Okay. How to convert those leads into sales? That also is important, right? So conversion, now don't misunderstand, that is not convincing, right? You have to figure out what the client is actually looking for and whether you will be able to fulfill those needs or not. Okay. So it is basically a structured consultation or a coaching program where you clearly explain how you can transform someone's life or business or whatever niche you are into. Then telling them confidently, this is my pricing and this is the max discount I can give, whatever is your offer. And there should be a proper follow up. If the client says, I'll not decide today, I'll take 2 days time, you have to follow after 2 days. So this whole process is called conversion system, wherein you are tracking with your client uh, about his or her decision on what they have thought about your consultation which you have given to them. Okay, without this repeatable conversion structure, income will stay unstable again, because until your sale is confirmed and you receive the amount in your account, your your business has not happened. Okay. Last part. Now, even after sale happens, there is one part which is very important, which maximum people miss out. What is that? Retention and referral system. See, any client which is entering your business has to give feedback or Google review or some references. Something should happen after that. Or maybe you have defined some after sale services also, that also is another part of it. So that is a part that part is called retention. Okay, so now customer is retained in your business is using your uh, recurring services also and also giving you reference. How do you do that? One thing, make sure when customer enters your business, their onboarding should be very clear and smooth. Okay. Second thing, you should be able to track their progress, how the customer has been served, whether it was quality work done by your team or whether it was not, or whether there were some scope of improvements. Okay. Client check-ins should be recorded, testimonial collection should be there, and referral request should be there. If the client leaves after one cycle and don't refer others, you are constantly chasing new leads then. Okay, so there should be some system wherein customer refers you another customer. Okay, so retention will reduce your pressure and will increase your productivity. So the core problem is that most of the coaches focus on only one part. They think I need more content. I need to put more content on social media. I need better sales skill. I need to improve on my skills. That is what they think. But predictable revenue will come only when these five parts. I'm sorry, I was saying four. These five parts are fulfilled: foundation, visibility, lead capture, conversion, and retention. Okay, so these five work together. If one breaks, revenue shakes. Okay, now what you have to do? See, predictable revenue is not emotional. We have already known. So you have to make your clear structure. What are your systems? How are you going to progress? If you think your revenue feels unpredictable, don't ask why I'm not getting clients. Ask which system is missing and accordingly fulfill that system, design that system, fix the structure, and go ahead. And for sure, you will get results. In case you need our assistance, you can always DM me or book my consultation. That always is available with you. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to leave comments below What experience did you get after implementing these strategies? Thank you.